Okay, today we are talking about how to assemble a desk. Okay, so read and follow the manufacturer's instructions. It's got isographic drawings to show you step by step how the frame members get bolted together with these Allen screws. Screw into the ends of these square tube rails and gussets. Comes with the Allen wrench that you need. There's two different lengths of Allen screws. I recommend that you loosely connect everything first so everything fits together easily, and then go back when you're done with the assembly and snug up all of your screws. All of the frame members have stickers on them like A, B, C, D, etc. So you know which frame members get screwed to which frame members.
Woo!
Again, reference the isometric drawings in this instruction booklet for proper orientation of the frame members. So now I'll go around and snug up all of those Allen screws before connecting the metal frame to the wooden desktop. Now we have two things left to install before connecting the desktop to the frame. There's a little J-hook that you can hang a bag on or pretty much anything. And then there's also a little storage pouch that hangs on the other side. So first we'll install the J-hook, and then on the other side we will install the storage pouch. Now we'll go ahead and install the desktop to the frame. Something to be careful of or keep in mind here is this is basically just particle board, and the inserts that you screw the screws into, you don't want to over tighten those because you can accidentally strip or pull those inserts out of that particle board desktop. So snug them up gently. Be careful not to over tighten those. Okay, assembly complete. Let's take a look at the finished product. Woo! I hope this video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.